These easy French toast muffins are a unique twist on the classic French toast breakfast. They have an irresistible crispy outside with a soft tender inside, and I like them best served with just a little bit of powdered sugar, but they're also great with maple syrup. To get started, you want to cut your bread into 1-inch cubes and set it aside. I like to use regular sliced white bread, but you could also use French bread, brioche bread, or even cinnamon raisin. Then you want to combine the eggs, milk, cream, brown sugar, vanilla extract, maple extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg in a large bowl. Then we're going to add the bread cubes to the egg mixture and stir gently until all the bread is coated and has soaked up the liquid. Then we're going to add an equal amount to each muffin tin. I like to use a cookie scoop to do this. I find it to be the easiest way. And then we're going to mix together some cinnamon and sugar and sprinkle it on top of each muffin. Then into the oven they go. We're going to bake them for about 20 minutes, and we're going to serve them dusted with a little powdered sugar on top. If you're feeling wild, you can also drizzle them with some maple syrup. I like them best warm straight out of the oven. They are so good. Like and follow for more easy recipes just like this.